super simple video today. We're going to go over the ins and outs of scheduling a showing. Ins and outs of scheduling showing. So you'll want to log in to your MLS. You want to log into your MLS. And then up here where it says search. And if I'm going too quick, guys, click the cog, slow the video down. Play it in 0.75 speed if you need to, or pause the video, rewind it, and play that portion again, okay? I'm going to show you how to do it. And then you could take this tool, you could take this informational video, implement it in your business right away, and really start killing it on your showings. So to schedule, let's say we're going to schedule 3 houses to look at in PC North schools on Sunday for a customer that's flying in over the weekend. And we're going to go to put your cursor on search, scroll down to quick, and hit and click it. Click it with the left click, okay? And like I talked about earlier, they want to look in PC North schools. So I put Putnam City, select that. And then down here, underneath additional fields, they want PC North schools, So I added right here, high school. So you click this, type in high right here, it pops up, click add, and it's right there. And then you can move it up towards the top because a lot of people, school districts matter. So it has narrowed down the search already for me to the 3 high schools in Putnam City schools. And with this particular customer, they want PC North High School. So I've got PC North High School. So without doing anything whatsoever, we already know right now that PC North has 96 homes available. Well, this family would like a 4-bed home. They take a 5, and they want to stay underneath $320,000. So I put my cursor in price. I put 320 negative, and I put 4-bed plus, and they want a 3-car garage. So I'm going to go ahead and put 3 plus. Oh, there's only 1 house available. Okay, so I guess I got to show them more than one house. So I'll do 2-car garage plus, and then let's say they want 1990 and newer. 1 house. Oh my gosh. I got to show them more than 1 house. Let's do 1980 and newer. Six houses. Okay. 6 houses. So let me narrow it just a little bit more. I'm trying to get this thing to be exactly 3. 2,000 square foot, 4. Okay, so we'll work off this. We'll work off 4 houses. So far, we know the customer, what they're looking for, what they're pre-qualified for, and where they want to look. Location, PC North schools. We've entered that right down here in school district, and we picked Putnam City North High School. Okay, we've gone to 320K or less, minimum 2,000 square feet, minimum 4 beds, minimum 2-car garage, and built after 1980. So now when I hit the map search, I'm showing you the map search because it looks cool. That's really the only reason I'm showing the map search. There's those 4 houses. When you're showing houses in the city, give yourself 15 minutes at the house and then 5 minutes in between each home. 5 minutes between each home. So that showing right there is going to take me an hour plus 20 minutes, an hour and a half. That's only going to take me about an hour and a half to show those 4 homes. Those 4 homes right there. So I'm going to go ahead and go to results. Go to results page. And then over here, I'm going to select the all button. Now, these addresses are blurred out because this video is a training video. You don't have to see the addresses. Those addresses are blurred out, but right down here, you'll have addresses, okay? And right over here, you will have the neighborhood names and stuff like that, okay? That's all there. Let's go and look at the showing instructions before we schedule the showings, okay? The showing instructions are so important. So I'm going to click over here on the first house right here, and let's take a look at the showing instructions together. I'm scrolling down to the showing instructions area only. Okay, so right here, it says schedule a showing. But before you do that, guys, you still want to come over here and look at showing instructions. Even though you can automatically click to schedule showing if it's a list or appointment and they didn't take this button off. If they did not take this button off right here, you're still going to need to pay attention to the showing instructions. This is office to office information that you need to know as a good showing agent. If you don't pay attention to this and you just blindly click that, but it's a lister appointment, you got to call the listing agent to schedule it, you're going to run into a speed bump. You're not going to be able to schedule a showing. You're going to be bottom hurt when really it's your fault. Don't be bottom hurt. Seek further information. You're in sales. You got a thick back. You got a thick skin back or whatever it's called. Okay. Pay attention to the showing instructions very carefully. They will make your job as a showing agent way easier when you read the showing instructions and when you read the local office remarks. Okay. The local office remarks are super important too. Okay. So don't just blindly click that button because it's available. Some agents don't turn it off for some reason. Then yes, the listing agent should turn it off if they want you to call them to schedule it. They should, but sometimes they don't, guys. And you as a showing agent will make your life easier if you pay attention to the showing instructions right here and read the local office remarks. So let's see if there's any info in the local office marks that we need to pay attention to. Home is a show and go. Okay, so that's real simple. The showing instructions say showing time. I'd click the little showing time, schedule a showing button on this one. Bada bing, bada boom. We're done on that one. Let's take a look at another one real quick. Okay, over here. This one says home is sound, should pass appraisal easy, just needs paint, carpet, fixtures, da-da-da, da-da-da. Showing instructions, showing time. Okay, there's no showing information in the write-up, but it says showing instructions, showing time. So just schedule the showing. Schedule the showing through showing time. That one's pretty easy too. Let's look at the next one. Okay. Showing instructions, showing time, schedule the showing. Is there any info right here about showing in the local office remarks? Any information whatsoever? Nope. No information whatsoever. Showing time, schedule the showing. Easy peasy. Let's see on the third one. The fourth one. Showing instructions, showing time. Showing time. Any info in the local office remarks that I need to pay attention to for showings? Nope. Nope. Schedule the showing time. It is that easy, guys. You just want to reflect. You just want to read the showing instruction portion. Don't just blindly schedule a showing, okay? You're not doing your job as a selling agent. Selling agent are the agents that help buyers. Listing agents are the agents that help sellers. You're not doing your job as a selling agent by just clicking this blindly without double checking the showing instructions and double checking the write-up. Okay, so now that we know we can schedule them all through showing time, I want to show you a quick tip real quick too that'll make your life a lot easier. Go back to the single line report. All I did to go to the single line report right here was I clicked single line report. Okay, right here I've selected them all like we did previously. Over here, directions. This button is going to make your life so easy. You're going to fall in love with directions. Guys, if you're a new agent, if you're a seasoned agent, if you're a team leader, a broker owner, and you're like, wow, this is a great video, and for whatever reason, you're looking at other options for brokerages, click the link down below. Let's schedule an appointment to go over what you love about eXp Realty. Clicking the link down below will get you the 9-minute video. It'll tell me you want to talk about it, and we could talk about exactly what you love about eXp Realty. That 9-minute informational video is amazing. It's the 10,000 feet in the air view of eXp Realty, and it's just a little tidbit of all the tools, the technology, the training, the support, and the broker team, and the staff that handle accounting, that handle transactions, that handle agent concierge, all the staff, everything that eXp Realty has to offer. Guys, if you're just kind of curious about what everyone is talking about when it comes to eXp Realty and how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success, click the link down in the description below. Watch the short video. Let's talk about what you love about eXp Realty, and then let's see if it's right for you. It may not be right for you, but it probably is going to be like, oh my gosh, Josh. I'm like, I know. That's why so many agents love eXp Realty. So when you click the directions button right here, guys, get ready to be blown away. You ready? I'm going to click it right here. Directions. Check this out. It just mapped the showings for you. Now, let's say, Josh, I want to start from the south and work my way north. Watch this. Look at how easy this is. I'm simply moving the showings around over here on this bar. I'm simply moving them around on this bar, guys. So now you can show them from the south to the north. All you got to do to get the directions is hit the direction button right there. and it tells you guys how many minutes are in between each showing. When you're doing showings in the city like this, when they're that close, like I said, give yourself 5 minutes to get to the house. Give yourself 15 minutes at the house. Give yourself 5 minutes to get to the next house. Maybe 10. Let's do 10 because they might have kids and kids take a little bit to get in the car. 10 minutes to get to the next house, 15 minutes at that house, 10 minutes to get to the next house, 15 minutes at that house, and 10 minutes to get to that house. And then 15 minutes at that house, and you're done. That's how easy it is to get the timeline for your showings. If you're showing throughout the city, if you're showing maybe in Mustang and Yukon area, this direction button is going to make your life so easy. Let's go back to the results. Regardless of where you're picking houses at on this screen, click them all, click the directions button, let the computer map it for you, and then depending on if you're going from the north to the south or the east to the west, depending on your showings, adjust it by moving them over here on this bar right here. Adjust it by moving them over here, the order that you want. Click directions again, and then right here, you've got an estimated time in between each appointment. So if you're showing in rural areas and it takes you 20 minutes to get between each appointment, or 25 minutes to get to each appointment, or 30 minutes to get to each appointment, this little tool right here will give you an idea on the timeline that you're going to need to buffer your showings. And that's going to help you when you schedule it, because I literally just print this sheet out. I write down my start time. I add the time commute in between. I add 10 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on how close the properties are. And if I'm helping a family buy a house, or if I'm just helping a couple buy the house, or just a single person buy the house, etc., etc. But you can map it all out right here on this sheet, on your timeline, make it super easy for you to do your job as a real estate agent. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video on how to show houses, how to schedule houses, how to read the MLS on showing houses, if you enjoyed this video please give the video a thumbs up. Share it with any of your buddies that are in the business that you're like, oh, wow, here's a cool trick that I didn't know about, that they may not know about, so they can glean the information from this video too. And of course, guys, if you're curious about the tools, the technology, the training, the what is it called? The broker support and the staff support that eXp Realty has to offer, click the link down below. You'll get the 9-minute video. You'll be able to watch it. I'll call you. We'll discuss what you love about eXp Realty and if it's the right option for you. And if it is, we can get you sponsored, get you started onboarding, and you'll be able to put all the tools that I use in my business to work in your business. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Consider subscribing to the channel if you like it and you like a bunch of other cool real estate stuff that I've put on the channel, because that's what I put on this particular channel. It's a real estate agent, cool stuff channel. All right, guys, see ya on the next video.